comes from the listeners of WBUR Boston and from Indeed, used by over 3 million businesses for hiring, where employers can post job openings, then use screener questions and an online dashboard to identify qualified candidates. Learn more at Indeed.com/hire.
Thanks for joining us for Here and Now this afternoon. On the way, it's All Things Considered. News from SDPB also en route. Very cold for most of the state, of course, if you've been outside today. And Samantha Garrett with the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls says temperatures are about to get even colder. You'll hear from Garrett coming up on the newscast from SDPB. Wind chill warnings and advisories tomorrow through Wednesday night.
You know, mornings can define the rest of your entire day. Find $5 you forgot about in your pocket, it'll be a good day. Spill your coffee all over yourself, probably going to be a bad one. But when you begin your day with Morning Edition, you start fully awake with the latest and most important news to prepare you for whatever comes next. Take control of your day. Listen to Morning Edition from NPR News.
Monday through Friday, beginning at 5 a.m. Central and on the weekends at 7 a.m. Central on SDPB.
Program funding by the South Dakota Agricultural Heritage Museum in Brookings, inspiring a passion for the diverse history, culture, and science of agriculture in South Dakota. To learn more about the exhibits and events, agmuseum.com. This is South Dakota Public Broadcasting. Public radio for Central South Dakota. This is KTSD-FM Reliance Pierre at 91.1.
We can't get into the business of threatening a shutdown anytime there's an issue we really care about.
Lawmakers have 3 weeks to reach a deal on border security. Can they do it?
We'll talk with one of the negotiators this Monday, January 28th, on All Things Considered from NPR News.
I'm Ari Shapiro.
And I'm Audie Cornish. Federal employees are back to work today after more than a month off the job.
So what was the long-term impact of the shutdown on furloughed workers?
This is just going to further kill morale. It's going to hurt recruiting. This does nothing to retain stability in the federal workforce.
We'll also have these stories from around the world.
Negotiating with the Taliban.
A bombing in the Philippines.
And a hotel in Japan fires its non-human staff.
It doesn't feel like a sort of robot graveyard where there's robots around the place that are, unplugged or in bags or sort of just been chained off.
First, these news headlines.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Lakshmi Singh. Heavy snow in Chicago and other cities across the Midwest is forcing airlines to cancel more than 1,000 flights today, and there are significant delays for the flights that are operating. Now, extremely bitter cold will be moving in, and as NPR's David Schaefer tells us, that is prompting school districts to call off classes and many businesses to